iDA ihlabi ikhwelo lokuba iziko eliphehla umbane we-Eskom libhengezwe njengenelikwintlekele ngenxa yocimicimi wombane nosele uqhube ixesha elide.
It has to be the end of business as usual, which is why we're calling for an electricity emergency response plan, which must be activated to lay out short, medium and long-term plans. Now this plan, which is geared to mitigate the state of disaster, to ensure that it doesn't hit us in the face, as I've said.
Ithi ukucotha kwenkqubo karhulumente kuvumela iinkampani zabucala ukuba ziphehle umbane akuncedisi kwaphela kule ngxaki.
There's also been no urgency within government and the regulators in removing red tape, which shackles and strangles renewable energy projects. The Minerals Council of South Africa recently made the startling admission that more than 30 projects in the mining industry for self-generation valued at more than 60 billion rands were being delayed by red tape alone.
Kwaye lo mbutho uthi kuyabonakala ukuba urhulumente uphelelwe ngamacebo.
Very recently, Minister Gordon, the Minister of Public Enterprises, under whose aegis Eskom falls squarely, blithely floated the idea that a stage 8 load shedding is entirely possible and on the cards. This is lamentable, this is shocking, and it represents the end of the road after years of policy failure, ineptitude, malfeasance, corruption, and now a head in the sand attitude from him and his government while disaster looms. This is the sad reflection of what we face, what you face.
Lo mbutho uthi le ngxaki kacimicimi wombane inkumqobo kwiphulo lokudalwa kwamathuba emisebenzi kweli.